In this video, we shall explore the major ongoing and planned Russian projects across Africa that span several sectors such as energy, infrastructure, agriculture, and military cooperation. From massive fuel pipelines to nuclear power plants and military bases, Russia's involvement in Africa has been expanding rapidly. Stick around as we delve into these projects that are shaping the future of Africa's economic landscape. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Now, let's dive right in. Number 10. Fuel pipeline in the Democratic Republic of Congo. One of the standout projects in Africa is the construction of a fuel pipeline in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Russia's ZNGS Promete company is leading this initiative, which will transport refined petroleum products between the port city of Pointe-Noire in the Republic of Congo and Brazzaville, the capital of the DRC. The DRC, with its vast natural resources, has long struggled with energy and fuel shortages, and this pipeline is a solution to this ongoing challenge. The project is expected to be completed by 2026 and will play a pivotal role in improving fuel supply and energy access in the region. This pipeline is just one of the many ways Russia is addressing Africa's energy needs. It could set a precedent for similar infrastructure projects across the continent, helping alleviate the energy challenges faced by many African nations. Number 9. Nuclear power plant in Egypt. Egypt is set to receive a significant boost to its energy infrastructure with the construction of a nuclear power plant at El Dabaya. Spearheaded by Russia's state-owned nuclear energy corporation, Rosatom, this project will add 4 nuclear reactors to Egypt's energy grid, providing 4,800 MW of electricity. This increase in energy capacity will power millions of homes and businesses, helping to meet Egypt's growing energy demands. The project is part of Egypt's broader strategy to diversify its energy sources, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and improve energy security. In addition to providing clean energy, the plant will create thousands of jobs and promote technological and skills transfer between Russian and Egyptian engineers. This collaboration not only strengthens Russia's position as a key energy partner for Africa, but also signals a major step toward a sustainable energy future for Egypt. Number 8. Oil and gas development in the Republic of Congo. In the Republic of Congo, Russia's Gazprom is playing a key role in developing the country's vast oil and gas reserves. The Republic of Congo, one of Central Africa's largest oil producers, has significant potential to expand its energy sector, and Gazprom's expertise in energy exploration and extraction is crucial for maximizing these resources. The collaboration between Gazprom and the Republic of Congo aims to increase oil and gas production, contributing to the country's economic growth and energy security. This partnership is particularly vital for a country that depends heavily on its oil sector for revenue. Gazprom's involvement ensures the country can access the latest energy technologies, which will help it unlock the full potential of its natural resources and support long-term economic sustainability. Number 7. Nuclear power plant in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is another African country that stands to benefit from Russia's nuclear energy expertise. In partnership with Rosatom, Russia is helping Zimbabwe develop a nuclear power plant that is set to be operational by 2027. This project aims to address Zimbabwe's ongoing energy shortages, which have hindered both economic development and daily life for many Zimbabweans. The nuclear plant will provide Zimbabwe with a reliable and sustainable source of energy, reducing the country's dependence on imported electricity. By supporting Zimbabwe's energy sector, Russia is helping the country build a more resilient economy and solidify its position in the growing African nuclear energy market. Number 6. Natural gas projects in Egypt. Beyond nuclear energy, Russia is also collaborating with Egypt on several natural gas projects. These initiatives focus on the exploration, production, and liquefaction of natural gas, which will help Egypt position itself as a regional energy hub. Egypt's natural gas reserves are among the largest in Africa, and Russia's partnership in these projects aims to tap into this vast resource more efficiently. Through the construction of liquefied natural gas, LNG terminals, and development of Mediterranean gas fields, Russia and Egypt are enhancing the country's energy security while boosting its role as a gas exporter. These collaborations benefit both nations. Egypt gains energy security and economic growth, while Russia secures access to vital energy resources, further cementing its strategic ties with the region. Number 5. Agricultural projects in Sudan. Agriculture is another key area of focus for Russia in Africa, with significant investments being made in Sudan. Sudan has vast agricultural potential, but struggles with outdated farming practices and inadequate infrastructure. Russia is stepping in to support Sudan by providing modern technology, expertise, and investments aimed at improving farming and irrigation systems. These projects are designed to enhance food security in Sudan, help increase agricultural output, and promote sustainable farming practices. Russia's involvement also strengthens its ties with Sudan, offering both nations a chance to benefit from improved agricultural practices and access to new markets. This long-term investment in Sudan's agricultural sector could help make the country more self-sufficient in food production and provide a model for other African nations. Number 4. Diamond mining and infrastructure in Angola. Angola is rich in natural resources, including vast diamond reserves, and Russia is taking advantage of this opportunity to invest in the country's mining and infrastructure sectors. Russian diamond giant Alrosa is deeply involved in Angola's diamond mining industry, helping to unlock the full potential of the country's diamond fields. In addition to mining, Russia is investing in infrastructure projects such as roads, railways, and ports, which are critical to supporting Angola's industrial growth. These projects not only improve the country's mining capacity, but also promote overall economic development, contributing to Angola's position as a major player in the global diamond market. Number 3. Military and infrastructure support in Libya. Russia's involvement in Libya is primarily centered on providing military support and aiding in infrastructure rebuilding efforts. The Libyan conflict has left the country's infrastructure in disarray, and Russia is stepping in to help restore vital systems, such as ports and airports, which are crucial for the country's economic stability. In addition to military support, Russia is working to stabilize the Libyan oil sector, which is central to the country's economy. By supporting Libya's military and rebuilding efforts, Russia is reinforcing its presence in North Africa, expanding its influence in the region, and positioning itself as a key player in Libya's reconstruction. Number 2. Military base in Sudan. Russia has also expanded its military presence in Africa by establishing a naval base in Sudan, located on the Red Sea. This base provides Russia with strategic access to both the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean, which are key maritime routes for global trade and military operations. The establishment of the naval base enhances Russia's geopolitical influence in Africa and the Middle East. It strengthens Russia's military and diplomatic ties with Sudan, as well as with other African nations, solidifying its role as a major player in regional politics. Number 1. Arms sales to African countries. Russia is a significant supplier of arms to various African countries, including Algeria, South Africa, and Burkina Faso. These arms sales contribute to Russia's defense industry and serve as an important tool in strengthening diplomatic ties with African governments. By supplying arms, Russia not only strengthens its influence in Africa, but also positions itself as a key global player in the arms trade. These sales are part of Russia's broader strategy to build military alliances and ensure its continued presence in key African regions. Russia's growing presence in Africa is reshaping the continent's economic and geopolitical landscape. From energy and infrastructure projects to military support and agricultural cooperation, Russia is making significant investments in Africa's future. These initiatives will contribute to Africa's development and strengthen Russia's influence across the continent. As we've seen, these projects span a wide range of sectors, including energy, agriculture, military, and infrastructure. They highlight the evolving relationship between Russia and Africa, which is set to continue growing in the years to come. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Africa's development and global partnerships. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.